Good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you. It is Thursday, December 8th, 2022. Welcome to the Bluegrass Weather Report. And it has been a soggy couple of days here across the Bluegrass. Check out some of the rainfall that we have seen over the last 72 hours. I got 72-hour storm precipitation totals pulled up. In central and northern Kentucky, we've been talking less than an inch. Out in western Kentucky, a couple spots down around Bowling Green to Hopkinsville, 2 to 3 inches. Same story in eastern Kentucky from London over to Hazard. In fact, a little spot around Hazard showing more than 4 inches there. So overall, a healthy drink of water the last couple of days across the Bluegrass state, and that rain is continuing for the time being. Switching things over to the radar, you can see we have a little bit of lingering light rain, especially in eastern Kentucky and northern Kentucky tonight. And I think we will continue to see the rain off and on throughout the evening. And part of the reason for that is we still have that stalled out stationary front just down to our south, a little area of low pressure centered just south of Knoxville. We'll see another little low spin up tomorrow down across Arkansas and eventually head our way. And that is going to bring us more rain. In fact, we can see that as we switch things over to the models, taking a quick look at the European model. Going into the day on Friday, we should start out mainly dry, a few scattered showers across northern Kentucky on Friday morning. By lunchtime, a little light hit or miss rain across the state. Friday evening, a few scattered showers out there if you have plans to be out, maybe going out looking at Christmas lights, doing some holiday festivities. Just know there's a slight chance of rain, but better chances on Saturday as that next area of low pressure rolls in along the front. That'll bring us some scattered showers in western Kentucky early in the day. Those will push into eastern Kentucky by that evening, and this off and on rain will continue. Then we turn our attention to the southwest. As far as how much rain we can see in the short term through Sunday, for most of the state, about another inch or so, maybe a little bit more, from Bowling Green back to Paducah, down along the Land Between the Lakes region. And in northern Kentucky, not looking quite as intense. But we go to the big picture and look into the future. Now, there's that system for Saturday. I think the European model may be just a bit too far south with it. I think a few of those showers will roll our way. But watch as this huge storm system starts to develop on Tuesday across the Great Plains. And that will push eastward and roll into Kentucky early Wednesday morning in far western Kentucky, and eventually roll into eastern Kentucky by Wednesday afternoon, maybe even going into Thursday morning. That weather maker has the potential to be quite the storm system. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has put out a rare Day 6 outlook down across Arkansas and Louisiana, portions of Mississippi and western Tennessee, and including just outside of the coverage area down near Paducah, with a chance of severe weather. And I suspect that we could see a little bit of that next week. Now, that storm system is going to usher in a big-time pattern change. We are talking the potential for some major cold for the second half of next week, and maybe a few flakes to go with it. So that's something we're going to keep a close eye on over the coming days. But in the meantime, more light scattered rain for tonight and for your Friday. Better rain chances on Saturday and early Sunday. And then we await the big storm system as we go into Wednesday. And that could have the potential of severe weather. So that's something we'll keep a close eye on. We'll have more weather updates coming up for you on Sunday. Hope to see you then. Until then, take care and stay weather aware.